This is how you can organise your whiteboard with sections, boards and files. Ayoa's whiteboards offer endless possibilities for expanding your projects and brainstorming ideas. Organise your ideas with colourful sections, add your files and even other Ayoa projects, and use your whiteboards as a visual hub for your most important work. If you want to keep everything connected, you can add other projects into your whiteboard. Click the boards icon in the left toolbar, search for the board you want to add, filter by a specific type, or simply scroll and drag and drop your boards onto the canvas. You can resize your board and instantly jump into your other projects directly from your whiteboard. When you're ready to go back, click on Back to the Whiteboard in the top left. You can also add links and files in your whiteboard. Access the attachments icon. You can add files from your computer, or you can connect your Dropbox and Google Drive to grab resources from there. To add a link, simply click on Add Link, then paste in your link. Click Enter and drag it onto the board. If your whiteboard gets too crowded, you can organise your ideas using sections. These act like folders for your notes, images and files. To add a section to your board, click the Sections icon in the toolbar and choose your section style. Drag and drop it onto the canvas and give it a title. Drag and drop any file here to start organising your board. You can safely move the sections around and resize them at any point.